Alright, hey guys, me Ethan, I'm back with a new episode. And like, remember last episode I said I was going to do Minecraft? What I did, hold up. Leave it at 20%. Maybe 56. Alright. We have new dogs, war dogs. A lot. I never wanted to do that. Okay, what should we do next? I'm gonna go kill stuff. I'm gonna bring puppies with me. Are any other more puppies? You know what? Make love. Okay, you stay there, you stay there. You stay there. This one gotta come out. Stay there, stay there. The puppies come with me. The puppies taking me down. Jump. Are they gonna teleport to me? Oh. Okay. Good. Good, because they can't swim. I don't need a sheep. What I need is things to kill. Hit that, kill it. Bite it. What? They can't kill a pig? It's right there! Are you serious? You guys are useless right now. Come over here. Make that jump. Sit down, sit down. Sits, no sits, sits, sits. And come with me. Sit, 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 sit. Okay, good. Alright. It is night time. I don't see the sun. Where the hell is the sun? Where the hell is the sun? Can I sleep now? Alright, hold it up, guys. We'll be back when we'll be able to sleep. Alright. Alright, we're back, and remember last episode of Minecraft I said that we're gonna go adventure? Well, yeah, we are. I'm bringing 2 dogs with me. So here we go. I'm not gonna bring the map. Alright, here, let's go. Oh, I just need to find a sheep, that's it. I need to find this one sheep and I can make a bed. Actually, I should have just brought the other one. No, because I was going to... Come on. I forgot I brought food. That's one of the most important things. And then parkour skills. Oh. Make sure you're going to leave that there. Bring that. Bring that. Bring this. This. Bring you. And let's go. Oh! I accidentally pushed the dog. No, I accidentally touched the wrong thing. Get up there. Okay, good. Alright. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna adventure off. You know, we're going to in the sand just in case we can find a sand village or something like that, or another temple. And alright, so I'm gonna pause this at 6 minutes. This is a 12-minute long episode. If you're background noise, is my auntie. And hold on, I'll pause it. See, alright, we're back. I need to connect the controller. Come on. I need to somehow get up there.
Oh my god. Oh.
Oops. There's another dog. There's one. Oh, okay, there's two. That's where it came from. Oh my god. Hold on, I'll pause right here, guys. Alright, we're back. Adventure off to the world.
Danny. Sophie, stop. Move it.
Hey, be quiet. Alright.
Sophie, stop.
Alright, come on. Speed run through this. What is that? Is that a Ow. Come on. Are you serious? No. Get up. And oh, we could find another village. If this is a big, because we only found a temple. I think there's a jungle temple in here somehow, somewhere. But that's going to be another episode. Ow. Sugar cane we're going to need. You know, I'm going to explore in this jungle because look, it's a big ass jungle. If there is no jungle temple in here, that's going to be surprising because it's a big temple. Sorry for your background noises. How is there no it's either that or I'm just blind and I missed it. Where could they be a temple? Hold up, guys. Hold up. Alright, we're back. And here we go. How is that? How do I not just... There should be a jungle temple here. Because it's a big ass jungle. Get some cocoa. You cannot tell me there is no jungle temple here. Because if there is no jungle temple here, that would be surprising. Come on. Bruh, there's no jungle temple? What's over here? Is the mountain at Extreme Hills? Oh snap. This is a big jungle. You cannot tell me there is